Hey, Caitlin. 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 Hey, you. Missy, what's going on? Are you putting spitballs on the door? Oh, yeah? I don't believe you can make those spitballs that good, though, Missy. It's always good. Is that it? Yuck. You're going to paste it up there? Oh, nice, Caitlin. You got your aunties and your uncles laughing, saying, tee-hee-hee, you're making a mess in your mommy's house. And Poppy, you know Poppy and Nanny are liking that, too. But better yet, let's show everybody how much you like your birthday present. Let's get this on tape here. How many did you grab? How many do you have? You have a whole bunch, don't you? You're going for more? No. Hey, hey! How many are you grabbing? Caitlin! Caitlin! Hey, how many are you taking? How many are you taking? I'm going to start calling Cookie Monster. No, I think that's enough, little girl. I think that's enough, little girl. Better? Is that good? Uh-oh. One dropped. Can't have that. Oh, and another one. Dog comes in. You know she's taking the ones on the floor. You know that, right? You got 3 over there. Hey, don't step on it. Okay, you done? Let me see your cute little face again.